this way. I don't know why you wanna treat me this way.
Alright everybody, that wraps the video. Can we get this video to 50 likes? Yes we can. Smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss every time there's a video. Also comment shout out join for the comment because I'll reply back to every single comment. Here's Minato from the manga by Kishimoto. Hope you all enjoyed as much as I did. I had a lot of fun making this drawing. I had a lot of fun especially coloring this drawing. I always love drawing and coloring Naruto characters. They are always my favorite characters to draw and color. So hope y'all enjoyed it, and if you want to see more Naruto characters, let me know by smashing the like button. I'm going to leave links to drawing playlist in the description, which I highly recommend that you check out because I'm sure you'll find some characters that I've drawn for that may really like, so make sure to check it out since it'll be in the description. And I also have a drawing playlist here for Boruto and Naruto drawings, so check it out. But yeah everybody, hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure to stay safe, and thanks everybody, peace.